What's going on, good guys? Chris Noon here, Chris Noon Real Estate, chrisnoonrealestate.com. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. I haven't done one of these for you guys in a minute. Here is another unboxing video. So without further ado, Alright, so we're going to start this video off right. Open the box already. As you guys can see, I got the Burberry sneakers right there, the Burberry box. I tried to keep it a secret that it was Burberry sneakers, but you guys know what's going on. I was looking for these for a very long time, and I'm happy that I finally found them. I had to order them online. Now, I do have wide feet, so those who got wide feet, y'all definitely could relate to what I'm saying. I definitely have wide feet. Look at the shoe. Let me get the dust bag out of there for you guys. Let me get that out of here. Let me open the womb with the wing, with the wang, with the and there they go. There they go. Burberry sneakers. Now I do love Burberry, and the thing I like about these, they're smooth. I can wear these casual. I could kind of do the business casual thing with them. But again, I'd have wide feet, so they aren't going to be the most comfortable. I actually thought this was going to be a different pair, so these gotta go back, unfortunately. I thought they were a totally different pair. I will show the pair that I thought they were right now.